Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make Shift AI your default browser on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. One option would be to navigate to the browser settings, for example through the quick setup menu. You will find it here in the Shift AI browser in the top right, and here scroll all the way down. And under Other at the very bottom you will see this option, Set as Default Browser. Option number two, guys, if you're on Windows 10 or 11, for example, you may navigate to your application settings. As you can see, the interface language is not English, but you will find the same feature in your interface language here with the default browser, which is set to Google Default for me. So click into that menu and then look for Shift, select it, and then it will be used by your operating system or by a desktop computer to open, for example, folders and files on your device through that web browser if a web browser is needed. So that will be the default browser instead of Google Chrome in this case here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.